Hey there, welcome to Try Django 3.2. In this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a real project from scratch, step by step. Now, this project is going to be built in the Python programming language. Now, the reason being is it's great for beginners, but powerful enough for experts to solve real problems. And Django is actually written in the Python programming language, so we'll be coding a lot in Python. That's going to be the goal and the focus initially, so we can understand the fundamentals of how Django works applied to a real challenge. Now, the challenge is an inventory management system. It probably doesn't sound that cool, but it actually will teach us a lot about how Django works, how it can integrate with databases, and how we can really manage user data. All of that stuff is what's key to us here, and we use Django because it has a lot of these features built into it that we can build on top of, which I think is really cool. Now, I do want you to jump around to topics if that's what you're interested in. So be sure to check the playlist in the description so you can see any topics related to this series that you might want to jump into. And if you're a beginner, an absolute beginner, start from the beginning and then go all the way through and then jump around later as a reference. That's kind of the key here. Now, I will have a demo of this series in the description as well, but I intend to update that demo over time. So be sure to check the link of that demo in the description for this one in particular. Now, if there's topics I haven't covered or you want to see covered, please let me know in the comments as well so I can maybe add those in the series in the future. Now, I will say this entire thing is actually ad-free, and that's thanks to DigitalOcean. Now, DigitalOcean has a service called App Platform that we're going to use to bring our project into production so other people can actually see it. Now, production or deployment is something that's really special to me because it's what forced me to go forward. Once I actually had my first web application in production that other people could use, it was just so incredibly motivating. So that's definitely one of the focuses of this series, is to get our code into production. And thanks to DigitalOcean for helping us do that. But for now, what we want to do is take a look at the first demo, or whatever the current demo is, which will be linked in a minute. And then we also want to actually take a look at the requirements, the baseline requirements to really being successful in this course. It's really just two things. It's a little bit of Python knowledge and willingness to keep going. That's really the main thing, but I want to talk about some more specifics in another video. So thanks again for watching. My name is Justin Mitchell. I'm really excited to have you guys here. And if you've been with me for a long time, I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out all of my other content on Django. I try to cover different aspects all the time, and I will cover a lot more things related to Python, JavaScript, and all sorts of cool stuff in the future as well. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the series. And more importantly, look forward to seeing what you build.